everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Alright, today is another unboxing. What can I say? This time we are going to be doing the Ipsy Glam Plus box or bag. Now this is my first plus bag. Last month was my first Ipsy period. I had the $10 bag last month, the regular Ipsy for $10, where you get the sample products. And in that video, or comments and things on that video, as well as on Instagram, people were telling me I should really be trying the Ipsy Glam Plus. So that's what I did. A lot of people say that the $10 sample size isn't really, worth it, or, it's better to get the plus because you get full-size products and really good quality products, as well as the regular Ipsy, you get good products too. It's just that they're sample size. So, and because I got a lot of people telling me that, and a lot of people that's been doing it for years, I decided, they know best. This is only my first time, so I figured I'd go ahead and upgrade to the Ipsy Plus, and that is what I did. So this is my first box, and I'm really excited to see what's in there. I've only watched one unboxing, so I don't know if I'm going to get the same thing that they did, but yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it, because I'm trying to shorten up my intros. I don't know, I was looking at some and I'll be thinking I really talk too much, so I'm going to try to lessen that up for you guys, although I still need to get my watch time up, but that's a whole different thing. We'll talk about that later when I do a video on tips and tricks that I have. But anywho, so yeah, so let's go ahead and dive right into this Ipsy Plus. Alright, so everyone knows what it looks like for the most part, everybody except me, since this is my first. So I've already cut the seal so that I can save time. Alright, so don't be pretty like them. Be pretty like you. Glam Bag Plus. Can you see? Alright, got this little blue foam thing on top to protect everything. Okay, so it looks like, let's see, June 2019. Welcome to the block party. Ipsy block party. Alright, and since this is my first time, I do want to take a look at this, but I actually could take a look at this later. So I'm going to guess this tells you how much things are in the box, which I don't mind seeing now because it looks like I've already seen them. Taking a look, but yeah, that doesn't bother me. In some boxes I don't want to see what it is, but okay, and there's some stuff on the back as well. Alrighty, so let's dive right in. First thing is CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream Sunday Riley. This is 50 grams, people. Yes, Sunday Riley products are so good and so expensive. So I'm happy when I get skincare in my boxes. Come on, I can't even open it to smell it. Y'all, I'm having technical difficulties here. Alrighty, well, whatever. Y'all know what moisturizing cream looks like, hydration cream or cream looks like, so just know it's a cream. Alrighty, and that CEO cream is $65. Massage into skin AM and or PM, so you can use it twice a day. That's nice. Alright, next thing is this Suva Beauty Hydra Liner Cake Eyeliner in the color Grease. It is matte. This is what the packaging looks like. Just in a little box here. Just an eyeliner. I haven't used a cream eyeliner in a very long time. When I was first starting out 7 years ago, makeup, I don't know why I wanted to learn with this. Thought it was easier. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, this is what it is. I'm going to definitely be using that because I did say I wanted to try gel liners again. So that's what I'm going to do. And yes, my fingernail is broken. It's really, excuse me, really, really tender because I broke it all the way down to the meat, you guys. It's like right here. Gosh, that stuff is tender. And I was going to go get my nails done tomorrow, but I can't. I got to wait till this. So, because you know when they do your nails, they squeezing, they pulling, they hurting. They got to put, woo! This is really painful. So, it's going to probably take 3, 4, maybe even 5 days for this soreness to go down. Because this happened before, and it takes some time for that soreness. And, you know, I'm not getting acrylic put on that one until the soreness goes away. So, anywho, the next thing is, this is a Trestique lip liner matte color. Let's see, it says not for sale. So it is a lip balm crayon. Oh, is it like a 3-in-1? According to the paper, it looks like it's a 3-in-1. This is what the packaging looks like, and then on the side it looks like maybe a 3-in-1. Let's try. Oh yeah. So you have the balm right here. Where's this? Wait, what's this? I need to read directions instead of trying to do my own thing. But this is the bottom. And then you have the crayon. Oh, and this, I guess this is just the top. There's nothing here. So that's what it, okay. Magnetic sealing cap, the lipstick, and the lip balm. Okay, so that's what it, this is the lipstick. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And this is the balm. You know what? Oh, you know what? I think I have one of these in another one of my boxes, but that's okay. That color is pretty. Yeah, I remember now. You put the balm. Yeah, I remember. But this is so cute, though. So cute. Lip balm. Put that on, and then you put your lipstick. This is nice. Very nice. But that color is very pretty. I like the color. And I'll be keeping that. See, y'all, this is why I be telling y'all when I get these full-size boxes, I be getting stuff and I be keeping them. Sample. I should have just, you know what, because I know that you can do both. I might just go back and get the $10 one too because I need to be giving away stuff soon. But anyway, we'll see. And, and you also get a Suvia Beauty eyeliner pencil. Brush. This is an eyeliner brush that you put this gel liner on. They're both Suvia Beauty. So I'm guessing they go together, which is very handy because it's that really, skinny point there that you put eyeliner on with. And the next thing in here looks to be a palette. And I did see this. This is the Tetris times Ipsy Game On. That's why the theme of the month is Game On. And I just like to see the variation that I got. Like I said, I saw one version, and I don't look online to see the spoilers. I don't look online until after. So, And, alrighty. It's okay. I didn't really see all the other variations out there, so I'm not sure if I got a good one or not. But mine is the green one on the outside, and these are the colors here. So not bad. I could do something with this, We can do something with this and make it happen. And by the way, guys, this look that I have on here, very, different and colorful. Yeah, is up now on my channel. It is from the products that was in my Ipsy Glam box. And again, that will be linked above so that you can see, if you want to, how I came up with this look. Very pretty. Yeah, it's not giving me pride though. I am going to be doing a my take on a pride look. That'll probably be out next week. I haven't filmed it yet, but I have an idea what I want to do, not knowing the colors I'm gonna use and stuff like that, but y'all, we're gonna wing it. But anyway, yeah, so this is the palette, and it looks like there's one more thing in the box, and face mask. Yes. Can never go wrong with face mask. All right. Tula Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Hydrogel Mask. All righty. Hello, Major Glow. Goodbye, tired and dull skin. All right, how many masks is it? Ooh, oh, I didn't even show y'all. But yeah, this is what it looks like in the pack. Oh, it's 3 of them. Oh, that's nice. 3 masks. I love brightening, glowing masks. Love them, love them, love them. It's a sheet mask. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, and my crazy self forgot to tell you all the prices. I told you the CEO cream from, let's see, the 3-pack of mask is $26. Let's see. The Tracy Lip Balm lipstick crayon is $25. And the Hydra Liner in Grease and 620 brush set is $26 for the 2. So that is really, really nice. So, you guys, this was my first box. That's everything in the box. And it was awesome. Awesome. I do like it. I'm glad that I upgraded. But again, I think I might get the $10 one too. I may. I'm not sure on that yet. But I think that I may get both boxes because I want the samples too so that I can give away to you guys. I like giving samples with the other stuff that I give you guys, but you know. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, and I really appreciate you. If you have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. Thank you so much, you guys. Really, really, really appreciate each and every one of you. Bye.